Hello everyone, so once again, no proper intro to this video, so I thought I would just film it now. Yeah, this is weekend 3, I think. I hope you enjoy, and
it is, wait, does anyone know the time? No. It's not that late, it's about 11:30. Oh. 11, half 11, and we are going to the beach, and I haven't filmed like in ages, and so yeah. Let's go, guys. Look at us. We're at the beach. Huh? Yeah.
then we got some ice creams and I had a Solero.
We have been to the beach all day, and then we came back and showered, and now we have gotten ready to go out for dinner. And yes, let's go.
For dinner we went to a really cute thatched roof pub called the Thatched Tavern, and my sister had sausages and mash, 3 of the girls had carbonara, Cheska had lasagna, we had some garlic bread, some chips, I had some soup, and we stayed at the pub for absolute hours and then went back to the campsite, but I didn't vlog anymore after dinner. On Sunday, Hurricane Bertha showed up.
Sunday morning, time to go home, and there's a hurricane, so we need to get the tent down. The tent's going. The tent is going away. Guys, we're going.
Hi, I'm tired and we're going home soon, so I'm just gonna sleep, okay? Good night. You can't stop filming me now. Cheska, this is what you get for filming yourself on my phone. So everyone enjoy. Let's go home now. Yeah. Come on. Okay, so I haven't actually vlogged in ages. We got back a few hours ago. I slept for an hour. We're gonna go on a dog walk and I'm super duper tired and I just want to go to sleep. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time.